length of milk cotton 2.0mm hook. Start in a ring and crochet a slip stitch as a standing stitch. Then crochet single crochet stitches in the round and crochet 6 single crochet stitches in total. Finish crocheting 6 single crochet stitches. Tighten the coil. Then crochet and slip stitch in the first stitch. Chain 1 stitch and crochet the second round. Add 1 stitch in the first stitch and crochet 2 single crochet stitches. Add 1 stitch to the second stitch and crochet 2 single crochet stitches. Repeat the crocheting for the remaining stitches. Crochet 2 more single crochet stitches. The second round is completed. And crochet and slip stitch in the first stitch. Chain 1 stitch and crochet the third round. We crochet the inner half of the needle in this round. In the first stitch, crochet a single crochet stitch. Add 1 stitch in the second stitch and 2 single crochet stitches. Repeat crocheting with 1 single crochet stitch. 1 single crochet stitch and 1 increase stitch. Repeat the process to finish. The third round is completed. Crochet a slip stitch in the first stitch. Chain 1 stitch and cut the thread. Then change the thread to crochet the petals. Pick up the half stitch of the second round and crochet 3 slip stitches. Then back 2 stitches and hook an extra stitch and 2 slip stitches. Then crochet and slip stitch in the next stitch. Then crochet 3 slip stitches and 2 back loops on the second stitch. Work and slip stitch in the next stitch. And the remaining stitches are 3 locks. Back to the second stitch and hook 2 pull-through stitches. And work and slip stitch in the next stitch. Repeat crocheting the remaining stitches according to the pattern. 12 groups of patterns are completed. Finally, crochet and slip stitch with the first stitch. The first round of petals is completed. Then pull the thread to crochet the next round. Work on the outer half of the needle. Here, we also crochet 3 chain stitches. Back 2 to hook 2 slip stitches and 2 slip stitches. Next, crochet and slip stitch in the next stitch. Repeat the 3 stitches for the remaining stitches. Then go to the second stitch and hook 2 slip stitches. And work and slip stitch in the next stitch. Repeat the crochet. The second round of petals is completed, and work and slip stitch in the first stitch. Cut the thread. The flower part is finished. Just hide the thread ends. Then crochet the leaves. Start with a lock stitch. And crochet 8 slip stitches. Then start backstitching from the second stitch. Add the wire. Place the wire above the hook of the first stitch. And crochet a single crochet stitch. Then crochet a half double crochet stitch HDC in the next stitch. Corresponding to 3 double crochet stitch DC. Then crochet a half double crochet stitch HDC. And 3 single crochet stitches in the last stitch. Then crochet the other half. Then crochet a half double crochet stitch HDC. Then 3 double crochet stitch DC. Then crochet a half double crochet HDC. Finally, crochet a single crochet stitch. Finally, crochet a slip stitch to the first stitch. Then crochet a slip stitch, stretch the loop. Pass the wire through. Tighten the loop. This way, a leaf is completed. Cut the thread. Then use the remaining thread to wrap around the wire. Crochet another leaf in the same way. Then wrap the wire like this on the back of the flower. Then wrap the iron wire on the flower with thread. Then wrap the leaves together. You can use glue to finish the end, or use the invisible winding method to finish. Finally, add a brooch accessory to the back of the flower. Such a sunflower brooch is completed.